refreshing soda without any artificial colors, flavors or syrup. Let's make lemon soda, masala lemon soda and purple lemon soda. For the lemon soda, in a glass I am taking 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Next, juice of 1 lemon, 1 pinch of black salt and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix. Next, I am adding 2 to 3 mint leaves, 1 slice of lemon and 4 to 5 ice cubes. Let's add around 1 cup of carbonated water or soda water. Garnish with few mint leaves and a lemon slice if you would like. Lemon soda is ready to be enjoyed. Let's make masala soda now. In a glass, I am taking 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 pinch of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon black salt and half a teaspoon of regular salt. Let's mix in. The masala for the masala soda is done. Next goes in 4 to 5 ice cubes and into that the soda water. Stir in to mix all the masala and masala soda is ready. Time to make the very pretty purple lemon soda. The all-natural ingredient to get the beautiful purple color is this butterfly pea flower. These are dried flowers, easily available online. To make the purple lemon soda, I am taking 14 to 15 of these butterfly pea flowers. Let's wash the flowers first to get rid of dust and dirt. The flowers are washed and cleaned. Now I am putting 2 cups of water to boil. The water has come to a rolling boil. It's time to switch off the gas. Now to the hot water, I am adding the butterfly pea flowers. In no time, the flowers have started emitting their beautiful hue of blue. Just 5 minutes is all we need to steep the flowers. Let's strain them. These flowers not only give a beautiful color but are rich in antioxidants and as a herbal tea known to have numerous health benefits. In case of tea, you can drink this straight away. But since we are making a chilled purple soda, I am transferring a portion of the tea into the ice cube tray for beautiful blue ice that I can use in any drink. We will let this freeze for 3 to 4 hours. Now, the remaining portion, once cooled down, I will be using directly in the soda. In a glass, I am taking 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, the blue ice cubes we froze, and the cooled down butterfly pea flower tea around half a cup. Next goes in the juice of 1 lemon and get ready to witness nature's magic. The blue color will start turning into a purple hue. Let's add half a cup of soda water. Beautiful, isn't it? Fizzy and yummy, purple lemon soda is ready. Add some fizz to life the good way with these easy lemon sodas you can make right in your kitchen. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.